Hello students, welcome to St. Xavier School Batath. Today we'll start our new chapter of EVS. Good morning students. Now today we'll see the chapter number 2, that is all of us are different. Now as the heading given, all of us are different means every people or every human beings are different from each other. जो एवरी पर्सन है वो हर एक पर्सन से डिफरेंट होता है. ओके, सो एवरी पर्सन इन अ फैमिली इज़ यूनिक मीन्स वो अपनी तरह में एक अलग होता है, उसके जैसा दूसरा कोई नहीं होता है. वन कैन बी रियली सरप्राइज टू सी हाउ ही हैज़ चेंज विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. इवन ही कुड नॉट फील दैट ही वॉज ग्रोइंग. All of us grow with time and there are many physical changes that occur. See, one could be surprised means हमें सरप्राइज होगा ये जान के कि भाई हम टाइम के साथ ग्रो करते. जब हम छोटे थे तो वी लुक लाइक दिस, देन आफ्टर सम ईयर्स एंड आफ्टर सम ईयर्स वी विल लुक लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, सो डू यू नो दैट एवरीबडी ग्रोज एंड अंडरगोज चेंजेस विद टाइम. ओके, डू यू नो कि एवरीबडी ग्रोज, सब बड़े होते हैं. यस, एंड इट अंडरगोज मेनी चेंजेस. सी, हाइट चेंज होती है, देन वेट होता है, इट इंक्रीजेस. देन क्या चेंज होता है, लाइक एंड डिसलाइक, हॉबीज़ चेंज होती है. ठीक है, वी बिकम बिगर एंड टॉलर एज वी ग्रो अप. आवर नेचर, हैबिट्स, फेवरेट थिंग्स, हॉबीज़ एट्सेट्रा ऑल्सो चेंजेस एज वी ग्रो. जब हम छोटे थे तो हमें खेलना बहुत पसंद था, उससे बड़े हुए तो हमें टीवी देखना, उससे बड़े हो गए तो हमें मोबाइल देखना अच्छा लगेगा, उससे बड़े हो गए तो हम वर्क करेंगे, जॉब पे जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो एज वी ग्रो आवर हैबिट्स एंड हॉबीज़ ऑल थिंग्स चेंजेस. If you want to know how tall you are, you need to actually measure your height. We must measure height with a standard unit such as inch or in centimeter. This gives the actual measurement of length. Sometimes we measure length with our hand span. Hand span cannot measure height accurately. This is because of hand span varies from person to person. See, अगर आपको अपनी height measurement करनी है तो what will you do? Take a standard unit's help. ओके, सेंटीमीटर में करो या इंच में करो, मेजर टेप होती है उससे. बट हैंड स्पान मीन्स जो हमारी हाथ की हथेली है उससे अगर हमने किया तो वो परफेक्ट नहीं होगी. क्यों? वाई? ओके, डू वन एक्सपेरिमेंट. अपने मम्मी को बोलो कि वो अपने हैंड स्पान से आपकी हाइट मेज़र करे और आप भी करो. सो क्या फ़र्क होगा? मम्मी का हैंड स्पान बड़ा होगा, सो कम हैंड स्पैन होगी, और आपका हैंड स्पैन छोटा है. ठीक है, क्योंकि इट वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन का हैंड स्पैन यानी जो हैंड की लेंथ है वो सेम नहीं होती, इट डिफरेंट. ओके, ऑन एन एवरेज चिल्ड्रन ग्रो अबाउट 2 inches a year between the age of 3 and 12 and they gain maximum height by the age of 19 years. This is the fact that we should know. Okay, know your family. Let us read about Pooja and her family. She lives in a joint family. What is joint family? A family in which grandparents and uncle, aunts, cousins live together. Okay, that is known as joint family. Her grandfather is the tallest in the family. Her aunt is the shortest among the adults. See, उसकी जो aunt है shortest है, and who is the tallest? Grandfather. Pooja's mother has short hair while her grandmother has very long hair. Her father speaks softly while her uncle speaks in a very loud voice. She also laughs very loudly and her laugh can be heard far away in the neighborhood. Pooja's cousin is very cute. She is 2 years old. She keeps smiling most of the times. See, what are they trying to tell here? उन्होंने पूजा का जो फैमिली है कैरेक्टर वाइज वो उनका नेचर दिखाया है, उनका जो आउटर स्ट्रक्चर है वो दिखाया. लॉन्ग हेयर एंड समवन हैज़ द शॉर्ट हेयर एंड शॉर्ट हायर एंड टॉल. और कोई ज़ोर से बोलता है, कोई ज़ोर से हंसता है. ओके, लाउड, समवन इज़ लाफिंग लाउडली, समवन इज़ स्पीकिंग लाउडली. सो फ्रॉम दैट वी कम टू नो दैट each and every person is different from each others. Pooja's mother cooks very tasty food. She cooks both North and South Indian dishes. She makes very delicious dosas and idlis. सी दिस इज़ द क्वालिटी ऑफ पर्सन. सो ईच पर्सन की क्वालिटी भी अलग होती है. पूजा's aunt is a very good singer. Pooja's mother is very good cook, where Pooja's aunt is very good singer. She knows how to play the harmonium. She sings whenever there is a function or some special occasion. Pooja's uncle is very sport person. He plays cricket, he bats as well as bowls very well. He is an all-rounder. Pooja's cousin Sharad always wins prizes in quiz contest. He is a live encyclopedia. So here they shows the quality of persons. Okay, Pooja's uncle is very good sport person. Pooja's cousin very intelligent. So by quality also the peoples are different. Our likes and dislikes. The sense organs are our links to the world. Which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ear, nose, skin and taste. Okay, are the links to the world. So with the sense organs we can see, we can hear, we can taste everything. Okay, they are responsible for our likes and dislikes. Some people consider a particular thing as pleasant while other may not like it at all. Okay, किसी लोग को कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, it looks very pleasant, but किसी को वो नहीं अच्छी लगती. This is because everybody has his or her own likes and dislikes. We often like or dislike things because of their smell. For example, many of us love the smell of ripe mangoes but dislike the smell of garlic. Yes or no? You like the smell of ripe mangoes and you dislike the smell of garlic. Some of us like the smell of fish, eggs or meat, while some of us dislike their smell. People living in the coastal areas eat fish, prawns, etc. They like the smell of these things. People who are vegetarians do not like the smell of these things. Are you vegetarian? So you do not like definitely the smell of these things. We express our likes and dislikes through words, but babies can't speak. How do they convey their feelings? Suppose small babies are there. Something they don't like. What they do? They cry very loudly. If they like, then smile, giggle or just get restless. Through all these activities they convey something or the other. Mother can guess what their babies want by these gestures. Gestures means some what we can say. Gesture means वो हमारी जो emotions के लिए हम जो express करते हैं that things. Okay. So mother को पता चलता है कि now he or she is crying, so she wants some food. Okay. Using our senses, we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These sense organs help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Unfortunately, some of us cannot see, speak, walk or hear. They are termed as physically disabled people. In 3rd standard, I think you taught this. Okay, physically disabled people, blind people or deaf people. Okay, the disability may be due to inherited disorder. Sometimes it's inherited means पेरेंट्स में से आना, कंडीशन प्रेजेंट एट बर्थ और बर्थ के टाइम कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ, सीरियस इलनेस या कोई बीमारी है, इंजरी या कोई एक्सीडेंट या गिर गए, वॉट एवर बी द कॉज. दिस पीपल फेस डिफिकल्टी डूइंग दिस थिंग्स दैट अदर्स डू इजीली. You must have seen a blind people on a busy road. He cannot cross the busy road without the help of others. Sometimes people with disabilities can do almost everything others can do by perseverance and training. When a particular sense is impaired, the other senses grow sharper and develop faster. For example, someone who cannot see will have a stronger sense of touch. This certainly helps them to overcome their disability, and that is why such people are called differently abled. There are many people who have successfully overcome their physical challenges and become quite successful. See, physically disabled. Okay, अगर कोई भी हमारी सेंस ऑर्गन में डिफ़िकल्टी है तो ऐसा जो पर्सन है, दूसरे पर्सन जिसके पास वो सेंस ऑर्गन है उससे और जिसके पास नहीं है उसे करने में क्या होता है, डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. बट समटाइम्स बाय द ट्रेनिंग एंड परसिवेंस, okay, perseverance. They can do almost everything that other can do, but sometimes क्या होता है, most probably most of the time it happens, अगर एक सेंस ऑर्गन नहीं है तो उसका जो दूसरे सेंस ऑर्गन है that will becomes too much sharper and develop faster. If you want to see, then sometimes you can mark if some deaf people or blind people वो एक चीज़ नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन वो जो दूसरी चीज़ करते that is very appreciative. Thank you, dear students.